I'm here in the studio audience looking for a lucky contestant for our show. Who wants to be on the show? Me. Looks like we found somebody. Come on up. Me? Yep, what's your name?
I'm Sally, but people call me Sweetie Sally because I'm so sweet. Look how small your head is. I never knew it was so small compared to mine.
Well,
I went on the
here we are with Sassy.
Well, actually, this is normal.
Sassy Star. Thank you, Kid Rock. And hey, Sweetie Sally. Get away. So, my producer said that you were on a TV show. What TV show was it?
The Superstar Show.
Okay.
Hi. Can I hug you?
I think we need to find another guest. Yeah. So calm down, little missy, or I'll slap you.
Do you want to switch shirts? Because mine is showing my belly button.
I'm gonna slap you. Oh, baby.
Cut to a commercial.